Did you know your breath can turn water cloudy? Let's test for carbon dioxide using Limewater. The result might surprise you. Step 1. Pour Limewater into a clean beaker or test tube, about 50 to 100 milliliters. Step 2. Carefully insert a straw or delivery tube into the Limewater. Now gently blow into the straw. Your breath contains carbon dioxide. Look closely, the Limewater turns cloudy. That's calcium carbonate forming, proof of carbon dioxide. Try this at home or in class, and don't forget to grab the free worksheet at inkwellacademy.org.
Wow. Amazing. What a discovery. Give this video a big thumbs up to show your love for science.
Don't forget to share it with your friends and classmates so we can all explore the wonders of Inkwell Labs together.